Good morning, everybody. Look who I have here. I have Mr. Mac, who came and surprised me all the way from Wisconsin. So he's our special guest on our morning meeting today. So happy Friday. Oh, God bless you. Happy Friday, May 22nd, 2020. We're going to start with the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, time for our school theme song. Woohoo! This is Mac's favorite song.
A green and white, 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 a green and white. One's off for school, the greatest school. 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 In East Brunswick, in New Jersey, there is Warnsdorf for school. We show kindness to everyone to make our future bright. A green and white, 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 a green and white. Teachers, staff, and parents too help make our future bright. Fine upstanders who set examples help make our future bright. One's off for school, the greatest school. One's off for school, the greatest school. One's off for school, the greatest school. One's off for school, the greatest school.
Awesome! Yay, Mac! So today is the day before a 3-day weekend. Woohoo! So you are starting your 3-day weekend a little early in math, and you're thinking about fractions as you start your weekend early. And today is our celebration day for writing because you finished your writing animal research unit. So make sure to check out everyone's books. You guys did an awesome job. I'm so proud of you. Very impressed. And make sure you listen to Charlotte's Web if you haven't done so already. And for your Maydos, you're more than welcome to write a Friday note to me and I will write back. Our helping heroes of the week are your parents. Remember to thank them for hanging in there. And now for our Feel Good Friday notes. Bella, I was so happy to see you on Zoom. Adrian, awesome job on your math pages. Haley, I'm so proud of all of your tough work. Mia G, awesome job on your book creator. Abby, I'm so proud of you and your math work. Bowen, really cool book. It turned out great. Isha, I love your sweet smile on our Zoom meeting. Dael, your book really had me hooked. Great job. Noah, your daily check-ins always make me smile. Joshua, I'm proud of your creativity when making your book. Mia M, I love how you are responsible and email me yourself. Jackson, keep up the good work. You're almost there. Priya, you had a lot of fun stories to share on Zoom. Bradley, thanks for filling out the celebration student every day. Leia, your math work has been awesome. Ashley, I loved your book on Book Creator about our class. Nick, awesome job getting your work done. Very proud of you. Harry, I love hearing what you have to share on Zoom. Larry, surprise! Your secret student today. Woo! Say excuse me. Whoa. Isabella, I love the book you made. It was awesome. And Ronan, your animal book was amazing. I'm so proud of all of you and all of the hard work you've done. And like I just said, our secret student of the day is Lawrence! Yay! So I hope everyone has a fabulous weekend, a nice 3-day weekend. You've deserved it and earned it. And I will see you at our Zoom meeting on Tuesday. Bye!